Yes. So no, no, not ta is final, right? Ta is final. So why you are writing is middle shape, right? Ta is final. See here is final, right? Ta is final. So write final shape. So draw final shape. Alif nun ta. So ta is final. Oh no. Now read it.
Anatayiba.
No, no. This is read it only. Alif nun ta. Read it. Right?
Anna
Why Anna? Not Anna. Yes, I read again. Read again. Read again. Okay. And here put fatha. Here put fatha. Above ta. Above ta put fatha. Above ta put fatha.
um,
You know fatha is above letter across line. Right? Fatha is a sound. You know. No, is wrong. Is a wrong. Is a wrong. This side. Okay. Start. Okay. Yes. Now read it. Now read it. Now read it. Because it's ta fatha and ta fatha. Fatha sound. Yes. Read it.
an,
Okay.
Anna
No, no. Okay. Read ta. Okay. Fast. Okay.
ta
Okay. Read.
ta
Hmm. Spell. First spell. Alif. Spell. Spell.
alif
Hmm.
nun
Hmm.
alif
What?
alif nun
No,
sa
no. Why you are reading here? No, this is here is finished. Just only read this. Hmm. Hmm.
this
How only this? Okay. Only this. Yes. Only this. Yes. Yes. Is Anna is finished, right?
alif
Anna is I is finished.
alif nun ba
Ba is two dots up.
sa
Hmm. Again. Spell again in flow. Flow. Spell again. Flow.
alif
Flow.
nun sa
Alif noon.
ta
Ta. Okay. Alif noon ta. Alif noon ta. Okay. Yes. Now read it. Read it.
tayiba
Where tayyiba? Where tayyiba? Start with alif. Why are you reading tayyiba? No tayyiba.
a
Spell again. Spell again.
anas
Ah. And
anas
okay. Okay. Read ta. Read ta.
anas
Read ta. Read ta.
anasa
Again. Once more.
anasa
Sa or ta. What are you reading?
sa
Sa. No, two dots only, right? Not sa.
anasa
Two dot. Two dot. Is it sa or ta? What is it?
sa
Not sa is highest. Three dots. Is it two dots?
ta ta
Ta. Ta. Not sa.
anata
Ta. Okay. Again.
anata
Okay. Anata. Okay. But it's the anta. Okay. Noon sakin. So, okay. Keep noon sakin. Keep noon sakin. Okay. Anta.
anta
Anta. Okay. So
anta
anta. So anta means you. Anta means
you
you. Ana means
me
no, again. Ana
Anna
means
means me
Ana means I. Ana means
I
I. Okay. So Ana
yes
means I. Anta means you. And now here, see, and put kasra under ta. Put kasra under ta. Put kasra here. Here. It's a wrong side. It's a wrong side. You are putting kasra wrong side. Hmm. A wrong side.
oh
Now read it. Okay. Now read it kasra. Okay, here is remove. Okay, just assume ta kasra. Okay, don't assume ta fatha. Now read it kasra. Okay. Okay.
Um,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Auntie.
Anti. Okay, mazboot.
An-
Okay. Anti. So see here three. Here is three. Here is three pronoun. Okay. So first pronoun is I, is ana, and second is anta, is you, male. Anta, you, male, or anti, you, female. Okay. So ana, anta, anti. Ana, anta, anti. Now, okay, remove it. Remove it all. Remove it all. Now read again. Now read again without spelling, just direct. Okay. Ana, anta, anti. Okay.
An-
Okay.
Anna,
Draw,
Anta,
draw three.
Anna,
Yes, right, three.
Anta, Auntie,
Yes, draw three.
Antu.
Okay. Just just write it three. First write Anna.
Um,
First write Anna.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Excuse
yes,
me, sir.
madam. Yes, madam.
Yeah, sir. If she is having difficulty in alphabet, we will go slow, sir. Don't worry. Like we
No,
can,
no,
we
no,
can
no,
finish in 1 month or two
no,
months.
no,
It's
no,
okay.
no problem. No, no. She's going is well, very well. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes,
No,
fine,
no.
fine.
We have time. I mean, we
No,
don't want
no,
to
no, no,
cancel Arabic
no,
tuition
no,
after
no,
1 month or two
no, no,
months.
no, no, sir.
Okay, sir. We
Thank
want
you.
you.
No,
She's
no.
sitting
Yes,
properly with you, so we
yes.
want to.
Okay.
We want you to teach her
Yeah,
for
yeah,
6 months
yeah,
or
yeah,
more.
yeah. But she's going very well. No problem.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes.
No,
No
no,
problem.
I'm not telling like, in 1 month you have to finish
No, no,
alphabet.
no.
It's
Thank you.
not
No,
compulsory.
thank you.
Okay, sir.
So, but
Sir,
we are not
next
going
month
fast.
onwards, weekly
Mhm.
maybe 4 classes enough. I mean, after
Maybe.
school
Okay.
starts,
Okay. No
weekly
problem.
4 classes.
Yes. No problem. No problem. No problem. Okay.
Yeah, but
But we are
I
we.
told three, no, but three are not enough. I think she has to
Okay.
practice alphabet
No
with
problem.
you.
Yes. Sir, thank
Okay.
you. No problem.
So,
Thank you. But
yeah,
we are
you
not.
behave
We are not
yourself. If you
going.
don't know anything, speak up and tell sir
No,
that
no.
I don't
I
know.
No,
know.
no, she's
Okay.
I
going.
know.
No, she's
No,
going
no,
very
she's
well.
being
Okay.
disrespectful. I'm worried
No.
sometimes.
And she and I believe, and she is a fast learner. Okay, it's no problem. We are not going fast.
Okay,
Okay. Yes,
thank
we
you,
are not
sir.
going fast. Okay. Yes,
I'm just
Sanjana.
telling her also because her parents can speak four languages.
Yeah.
Need not hurry and all.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
We can speak many languages, but we cannot speak Arabic.
Okay. So just learn Arabic. Okay. My course is
Yes.
very easy to speak Arabic. Okay.
I know, sir. No, 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 sir. We will continue the tuition, Arabic tuition.
Okay. Thank you.
We
Thank you.
won't. We don't want to stop in one
Okay.
month or 2 months like
Thank you.
that. We will continue Hindi if we go to India. Sir, can you
Ah.
teach her Hindi?
Oh, I teach Hindi actually. Just spoken, just only spoken Hindi.
Okay, whatever. We can continue. We are
Yes.
not going to India now.
Yes.
I
Okay. No
can
problem.
teach. I taught her Hindi,
Mm-hmm.
alphabet and all.
Okay.
But if we go to India, then
Mm-hmm.
we need Hindi.
Okay. Fine.
Now we
Fine.
don't need.
Oh, fine.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Thank you.
Fine. So no. So
Ruba,
yes.
if you
So we
don't
are.
know anything, tell sir. Okay.
Can I
Okay.
smell it?
No,
No,
she's
no.
going. No, she's going very well.
Don't know
No problem.
anything,
She.
tell sir that sir tell again. But don't keep quiet and don't be disrespectful.
Yes.
Okay.
So see here. Sanjana wrote Anna is very well, very good. Okay, very good.
Okay.
She's wrote Anna very well and correct way.
Yes, sir. I bought copywriting for her, but that was 1 year ago. 1 year ago, we
Okay.
practiced alphabet
Yeah.
for two
Fine.
months.
Fine. Thank you.
Like daily, only two alphabet I taught her.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So like we
Okay.
practiced only
Okay.
for
That helps.
like only two months.
Okay. That helps. That helps.
No,
Okay.
no, no. Stop it. Don't do that.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Yes, Sanjana.
Ask
Okay.
sir and do. Okay.
Okay. Yes, Sanjana. Yes. Okay. So Anna is I. Okay. Now right is Anta. Anta. Anta.
Anta.
Mhm. Alif Nun Ta. Don't write. Okay, no problem. You can write spelling also. Okay. No, same. Again. You wrote wrong side. Right is
Oh,
right side. Okay, no problem. Just now is join it. Join it. Anta. Anta. Perfect. perfect. Okay, and put fatha above ta, put fatha. Fatha. And now put kasra under ta, below ta, put kasra. Okay, so no, wrong side, wrong side. You drew kasra wrong side. Yes, yes. Yes. So anta or anti. Okay. So ana means I, anta means you, or anti means you female. Tamam? Okay. Okay. Now again, just remove it all. Okay. So we are practicing with joining shape. Okay. So now here is right is uh, alif, alif, right alif, right alif. Okay. Now ra, right ra, ra, ra. Okay. Right noon, right noon, right ba, ba. Mhm. No, wrong side. Work just okay. Right, draw from right side. Okay, no problem. Now just join it. No problem. Join. Come down. Yes, perfect. Now come down and join. Okay. So join alif just as it is, because you after alif you can't join, and after ra you can't join also, right? So ra is as it is also. Ra is as it is also. What is the rule? What does rule say? Okay, after alif, dal, za, ra, za, and wow, you can't join. So alif, ra as it is. Now start noon with beginning shape. Yes, with beginning shape. With beginning shape. Yes, yes, perfect. Okay. Now I told you before. I told you earlier. If word is 4 literal or 5 literal, so try second letter sakin. Try second letter sakin. So assume ra sakin. Now read it. No sakin, cutting sound. No, no, not sakin, not noon. Ra, assume ra sakin. Not noon sakin. Ra sakin. Assume sakin. You know sakin is cutting sound. Cutting sound. Yes. Now, okay. Don't put just putting sukun sign is not necessary, but just assume. Okay. Now try to read.
This sukun sound like?
Sukun sign means cutting sound, like ab, like al, lam cut, like as, sin cut, like this. Okay. So sukun sign means cutting sound. Just assume ra sakin. Okay. That means ra will cut into part. Yes. Try. Okay. Again. Cut. Yes, exactly. R, cut into part. R. Okay. If you read R, okay, second half is easy. Okay. Yes, R.
Ar, ar, Arnab.
Aywa, perfect. Perfect. Okay. This is the rule. This is rule how to read Arabic. Arnab. Okay. Arnab. You read very well. Arnab. Arnab means rabbit. Okay. Okay. Is Arnab. Arnab means rabbit. Okay, so Arnab now correct. Okay, so is rabbit now is next letter. Okay, then remove it. Now write ba, ba, ba. Yes, ba. Now write Yeah. Yeah. Aiva. Now write ta. Ta. Yeah, this is correct way, okay, from right side. Now come down and join, okay? So ba, ba with beginning shape. Start. And ya middle shape. Ya middle shape. Ya middle shape. Yes, perfect. Now ta.
The middle shape.
Ta middle shape. No, ta is final. Ta is final. Okay, yes. Okay. Two dots up. Two dots up. Two dots up, Sanjana. Two dots up, not down. Two dots up. Okay, see. See here. Sanjana sir, here is a just choose. Okay, here is go is format, and from format option just choose is a thick pen. Okay, thick pen. Okay, okay. Now let's just write it. Thick pen on some light color. Oh, color is okay, but choose thick here. Go format and choose thick. So I think see here, it look good. It looks good, right? Or it looks readable. Yes. Now so here is a ba. Okay. Now here is ya. Okay, see height is not this only this height, okay, only this height, so not so heighted, okay, just see only this height. Okay, see again ba ya. Okay, so ba ya. Okay, and one point again and draw ta. See, like this, flatten, go go little up, flatten. Okay, so see here height, you can see, you can make height like this. Okay, so here see. Okay, yes, draw again. Remove it again. Draw again. There you go. There you go. Okay. See here again. See ba and see straight line. Okay, no problem. Ta and exact place, place ba dot, exact place here, and two dots place here. Exact. Okay. Again. Again. Yes, perfect, perfect. Okay, E is ya, and now is okay. Go straight and make the 1 point. Okay, make 1 point again. Go up, go up. No problem. Okay, okay. Now draw ta. Yes. Okay, perfect. Now read it. Try to read it and assume ba fatha. Assume ba fatha. Okay, ba fatha sound it. Ba fatha sound it.
Ba.
Ba fatha. Fatha means a sound, right? Fatha means a sound. So ba fatha sound it.
Ba.
Ba. Ba fatha ba. Okay, now read it. Now read it.
Ba.
No, ba and after ba is yeah, right?
I.
No, yes, I told you before vowel sign. See here, I told you before. Okay, just let's revise.
Ya.
Okay, no. Let's revise. Okay, so again is short vowel is fatha. Okay, and fatha is a sound. Okay, just always revise. Fatha is called fatha. So fatha. Okay, fatha and kasra. Sound it e, right? A e kasra. So kasra. So a e. Now dhamma. Sound it. Dhamma. Sound. Dhamma sound is u. Okay. So a e u. A u. And short and long vowel. Long vowel. Alif is long vowel. Like sound is double a. A. Now is wa long vowel. Sound it. Double o. Ooh. Now is ya long vowel. Ya long vowel. Sound it. E. Okay, so see here short vowel a e u, and here is long vowel a u e. Okay, clear? Clear?
Clear.
Okay, now one more. So two more sound, sometime wow before fatha, and it's called wow diphthong, and sound it. See here, sound it a u, au, okay, sound it au.
Oh.
Ow. So wow
Oh.
before fatha sound it ow. It's called wow diphthong. What is the diphthong word? Diphthong. Diphthong. Okay, it's wow diphthong. And wow diphthong means ow. And same is ya diphthong. Ya diphthong sometime ya before fatha. So ya diphthong sound is I. Sound is I. It's called
I.
ya diphthong. So two more sound, wow diphthong, au, and ya diphthong, I. So here is example for ba, ba, and ya. So here is assume ba fatha, right? So ba fatha means ya before fatha. So ya before fatha means ya diphthong, and sound it I. And now read it. Yes. Now read it. Go.
I.
Yes, go your page. Okay, just go your page. Okay, share, share. Aywa. Now, yes, so assume fatha and ya before fatha and sound it ya diphthong means I sound. Now read it. Yes, that ya diphthong means I sound. Yes, read it.
I.
Start with ba. Start with ba.
Pia.
No. I sound diphthong. Ya diphthong. Okay, I sound should be I. Yes, again.
By.
Aiwa. Okay, once more. Once more. Mm-hmm. Once more.
By.
Bait. Yes, correct. Bait. Bait.
By.
So ya diphthong here is
By.
bait. Bait.
By.
And one more question. suppose assume ya before kasra, so ya should be ya long vowel. So how to read? Okay, just yes. Okay, so listen listen my question. Okay, suppose ya is long vowel, not diphthong, means ya before kasra, ya before kasra, ya long vowel. So how to read it?
Um,
Hmm.
E,
E, yes.
yeah.
Okay, E, okay, but not E only.
E,
No, start with ba sound, right? Start E sound with ba.
B,
Yes, beat. Okay, perfect. Okay, is a perfect. Okay, you got it. Okay, very well.
B,
Yes, you got it very well. Suppose here is yes. I'm just uh let me go.
B,
Okay, yes, correct. So let me go to my page, my screen. See, you got it very well. So suppose yes. So if ya here, if ya if ya is long, if ya is diphthong, if ya is diphthong, sound it bait. Tamam? Bait. Very well. Very well. Bait. If ya if ya is long vowel, so how to read? Suppose kasra is long vowel. Now here is ya diphthong because ya before fatha, and here is ya here is ya long vowel. Why why after kasra? So after fatha ya is diphthong like I sound, and after kasra ya is long vowel e sound. Yes, so this is bait and this is
um,
long vowel. Long vowel. Mhm.
E,
Yes, to read with ba. Mhm.
E,
Again.
B,
Beat. أيوة ممتاز. Beat. Okay. Beat. Perfect. Beat. ممتاز. So bite or beat. Now is okay. Perfect.
I,
Now Ali. Yes. Perfect. Ali.
eat,
Yes. Perfect. Okay. Now again is a one is a last. Just write last word. Okay. Yes. Again share your screen and now is a alif and ba and ta. Now write a word is a simple is a ta mim ra. Ta mim ra. Ta mim ra. No, from right side. Draw from right side. Yes, this is correct way. Yes, perfect. Okay. Now mim,
ta,
mim,
ta,
mim.
meme.
Not noon. Mim. Mim.
Oh, meme.
Hmm. أيوة. Perfect. Now ra. Ra. Yes, perfect. Okay. Now join it. Join and read. أيوة. Meme circle should be from downside. Okay, under the line downside. Downside, not upside. No, it's downside. Make meme circle from downside. Yes, means under the line, the baseline. Okay, under the baseline. Yes, yes. Okay. Oh, no. Again. No, oh, why? Meme middle shape. Ra is final, right? Meme is not final. Ra is final. Okay. Meme middle shape. Okay. And go straight. Yes, from here, go straight. Yes. Now draw ra. Now draw ra. Okay. Now draw ra. Yes. From yes. Okay. Now simple. Ta. Okay. Now spell first and then try to read. Spell first. Spell
Ba.
ta. Two dot up. Two dots up. Right. Ta.
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 Mim.
Mim.
Ra.
Ra. Ta. Mim. Ra. Okay. Now try to read. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Tamra.
No. Yes. Correct. Correct. I told you. I told you. Keep last letter of the word. See. Keep last letter of the word
Tamar.
always silent. Always silent. Always sucking. Yes.
Tamar.
Tamar. Perfect. Mazboot. Tamar. Tamar. Perfect. Okay. Mazboot. Tamar. Sah. Sah means right. Sah. Okay. Right. Tamar. Tamar means no. What is tamar means? Is a dates. Okay. No dates. What is date? Fruit. Okay. Fruit dates. Okay. Dates. Tamar means dates. Is a fruit. Okay. Fruit name. Tamar. Okay. Dates. Okay, so okay, Sanjana. So here we'll wind up today's class. Okay, so inshallah tomorrow, not tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Friday, right? So we'll yes, we'll see you on Saturday, and again we will practice with joining shape. Okay, Masalama,
Masalama.
ilalika, ilalika,
Ilalika.
ilalika. Okay,
Ilalika.
ilalika. Mumtaz.
Ilalika.
Mumtaz.